Well, welcome back. We have Lori Horton here for the third and final installment of our chocolate chip cookie cups. So what are we doing right now, Lori?
Okay, I am just filling some more of these with our simple chocolate mousse that we made with that heavy whipping cream and chocolate pudding. So nice and thick and creamy. These I'm going to make a little bit flatter on top so that I can top them with some extra goodies.
All right.
And again, you can do this to taste. So if chocolate's not your favorite with chocolate chip cookies, you want to lighten it up a little bit, you can change that up to vanilla pudding. You can make this, any flavor combination that you want. So it's really, again, like you guys know, I love to do something that's a little customizable to your own personal tastes because everybody likes something a little bit different. And then I just put a little bit of Cool Whip in my plastic Ziploc bag here, and we can cut
the edge off, right?
Cut that little
Super
corner
easy.
off, very simple, and we'll put a little swirl of our
that
Cool
looks
Whip
lovely.
on there. And then we can't stop there because, more is more, right? And so we'll go back with a few little chocolate chips on there.
Oh yeah, you're really going for it now, Lori.
We could drizzle this with some chocolate syrup. We could just add an endless possibility.
And it's beautiful.
It is. And these are a deep enough little cup. You could fill this with a jam, preserves, anything like that with a fruit topping. The fresh fruit, of course, is perfect on there seasonally. But again, it's just kind of endless possibilities. The nice part with these as well is you can bake the cups up well in advance. They're going to keep in the freezer for quite a while. You'll put them in like a sealed container, Tupperware, Ziploc, whatever. So that's kind of nice. You can have this part of it ready to go and then just make your filling ahead. The mousse keeps well also. So in the fridge, up to 4 days, you can freeze that also. So this is kind of one when you have something really busy, and I know we're looking a little far out, but Christmas is going to be here very soon.
Well, yes, Christmas
and
baked
outside
goods
is letting us know that the holidays are coming.
I'm getting some Halloween vibes from this, though.
Absolutely.
I mean, it kind of looks like you could set it up to make it look like little ghosts or what have
put
you.
Some little Halloween sprinkles on there
Right?
instead of the chocolate chips.
Absolutely.
You can add some food
Candy
coloring
corn.
to the Cool Whip.
I love that.
And this is something that the kids can really help with once you've baked the cookie cups. This is not anything that's going to be real heavy duty. You can do this with a simple hand mixer. You don't have to get out the big equipment.
Yes.
So that makes it really nice as well. So
easy and fun and looks great. So perfect.
And something good. Not so much probably great to take to school, a little bit messy, but good for the
these are about 3 or 4 bite little treats.
They are a little bit much for the kids. So, at the end, what we really have to do is quality control, as I like to call it. So I have to ask on your sample, do you want the Cool Whip or just the mousse?
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
She makes me do this every time, guys.
I'm telling you.
Thank you. Lori, done it again.
The cookie stays soft and chewy.
It really does.
The mousse is really creamy. This
is the one, you guys. Make sure you try this at home. Lori, incredible. Where can they get this amazing recipe?
Of course, the recipe is going to be on our KOAMnewsnow.com website. You'll be able to catch this and the recap of it later.
You're the best,
if there's any questions, you guys can always comment on the Facebook page as well, and we'll get back with you with any questions or ideas or comments.
I love that. Queen of sweets. Always
but
pleasure having you. But no, saving the chicken for noon.
We'll let Howard be the expert on chicken.
Thank you so much, and we'll be right back with more news after this.